everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's all about things that matter on people's channel, like mine, like yours. If you're interested, please keep on watching, and please do not forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and make sure you comment in the comment section. You will know the reason why commenting is necessary as we get into the video. First of all on my list is I want to understand why my subscribers are not coming back to watch the rest of my videos. You don't subscribe for people for you just to stay there without supporting them. Coming back to your subscribee. Coming back to the person you've subscribed for will actually make the person's day, because you're encouraging the person to do more. You are teaching the person where she or he is lagging. You know what I mean? If my video is not of quality, it's not top notch like you like you prefer, you should comment in the comment section by telling the person, sweetheart, babe, please would you increase your voice? It is somehow low, or would you stay where there is more lightning, because it will make people to stay tuned to your video. Words like this will actually make the person's day, not like you are castigating the person or you are trying to, I'm lacking words. I will put it on the screen, okay? Yeah, it's not like that, but you're trying to encourage the person to do more. You're pushing the person, you're awakening the person's giant. So things like that will make us move and grow on this channel. Another thing I have to tell you is liking someone's video. That is another point in my head. Please do like people's video. Do you know why you should do that? Liking people's video would make the person make more videos. On this screen now, we have thumbs up and we have thumbs down. Giving someone thumbs up will make the person like, oh, all this time I'm wasting on this channel, it's not actually in vain. I am putting in my best and people are like what I'm doing. Liking people's video will make their day. It will even make them being more happier than you liking it. Sorry to say that. If I finish creating content, I might stay under the sun creating content for my channel for you guys to see. And after doing all this, wasting my time, editing, uploading, nobody will give me a like that they like my video. You won't even come back to my video to watch the rest of my videos. You just might even just watch and be like, oh, let me see what this girl is talking. 1 or 2 minutes ago. That's not how we do, my dear subscribers. That's not how we do our thing. If you want me to grow, if you want your child to grow, or if you want a plant to grow, you will come and pour water every day, put fertilizer, weed out some parts that you know that it will affect the plant. That's exactly what I'm trying to say. If you want me to grow on my channel, you will keep on coming back to my channel to know if I'm improving well, if I'm doing well, or if I'm lagging behind. These are the things that you will do for us, and forever we will remain grateful. The next point on my channel is sharing the video. What I mean by sharing the video, on the screen you see a hand like this, thumbs up, thumbs down. You're gonna see comments and you're gonna see share. I don't know if I'm right, but yeah, the share is an arrow like this on the screen right now. The arrow signifies sharing. You can click that arrow right now. You can click the arrow. You can click the arrow right now to see what I mean by sharing. If you click the arrow, it's going to show you if you should copy or you should share directly. It will show you some part of the apps like WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, all these apps you have on your phone. It will show you where you want it to be shared. So once you click on it, you tap on any app you want to share my videos to. If it is WhatsApp, for example, you click on your WhatsApp, you post and tell them, please subscribe for my girl, please watch her video, like, comment, and it's just simple, guys. It's not hard, like it's not hard. These are the things that you will do for me and will remain forever happy, forever grateful. I will be so comfortable making video on this channel. Engagement I'm receiving for the past 1 month, I don't know where it's coming from, honestly. I don't understand why you should, or why I should make a video putting in all my effort. People might be sleeping at night, I'm awake editing video that nobody will give me thumbs up, that nobody will comment to encourage me more. So these are the things that you should do without me telling you. These are the things you should do on people's channel without them telling you that you should do that. I feel like I'm shouting, but yes, I'm trying to lose my voice. I'm just putting in more energy for me to make this video. I would have been depressed or angry, but like, make your video and post. YouTube will recognize your video. If people don't, YouTube will recognize your video, you know, and show it to people that care. So it's not in vain that I will make video and I won't get an engagement or impressions I expected. I will just make it, post. One day my channel will blow, and once it blows, you see people coming to my channel telling me, oh Chidi, why haven't you, stuff that you guys do on celebrities. I don't need to tell you. Another point on my list is, please do not use hate comments on someone's channel. Don't do that. We don't use that same energy. Nigeria is already tough. Don't bring more bad negative energy in people's situation already. If you don't like the video that someone has made or you've watched, please do not use hate comments. You can tell the person, see where you can improve on, and the person will just understand. But there's how you will twist the word. It will sound rude, it will sound depressing, and the person might just break his or her phone, throw it, and be like, I'm putting YouTube, just because of your comment. He or she might not realize all the good comments he or she has been receiving. Just that one comment would make the person go mad, and please, we don't want it on YouTube. Comments. Okay, so if you want to comment, we'll start from the good ones. If you don't really like the video or the content that you've watched, you start from the good comments. Oh, you did well, this like that. Then you start chipping in your word in between. Okay, so know or mind how you use your comments. Use it effectively. So these are what I have for you, and I'm so grateful because I actually started my YouTube channel this year. I did not put more energy, rather than realizing myself in time, and I started putting more energy last 4 months or last 3 months. I will check, or you check for me while you're watching my videos. Check where I started posting every week. Okay, that's when I started putting in my energy on YouTube, and YouTube is very nice community. Honestly, I've learned a lot from YouTube. I would have said learned, but learned is still correct. You guys don't understand all these things, all my makeup, the way I'm becoming confident in front of camera. I wasn't like that before. It was YouTube that showed me the way out, and why wouldn't I make video and upload, let people learn from my channel? These are the things I beg of you guys. Please make sure you subscribe. It is very necessary. And I did not say about stalking. Okay, you might not be subscribing to my channel, but whenever I post a new video, YouTube might show you my video, because there is how YouTube algorithm or whatever works. YouTube, without you subscribing, YouTube will be showing you on your For You page, because you're always stalking on the person's video. And it is not right. If you've watched my video once or twice, just subscribe. Just click that subscribe button. You won't pay. It does not require payment. It's just clicking the subscribe button. I've noticed clicking the red button. If I tell people, please, can you subscribe to my channel? They'll tell me I don't have data for it. But the normal data you're having for your WhatsApp, you can go on YouTube, just click that subscribe button and turn your bell notification to be getting notified once I post a new video. Sweetheart, is it not simple? It's simple to do that, right? Go to the bell notification side near the subscribe button and turn it on, so that if I post a new video, you will join my notification gang. You'll be the first to actually watch this video. And also, there is something I'll be doing on my channel as from next year. I think I should be putting in gifts in between my videos, so that people will be, rushing to my videos. So guys, I'm so happy making this video. This is not a depressing video. It should be, but I'm turning my energy into something worthwhile. So I'm here to tell you guys, please do make sure to leave fines, to come back to check up on us. Chidi Smiley is here. Please watch my video from the first to the last Tell me where I'm lagging. Tell me where I am leading. I will keep on saying this. If I did not do that, people won't understand what I'm saying. So I feel like I'm talking blabbing. Start going round. I'll still come back to the same point. I'll go around again. I'll still come back to the same point. So just to make sure you share my video, refer people to my channel. Referrer are close to my heart. They're at my left ventricle. If you refer people to my channel, you are at my left ventricle. You're close to my heart. I love you so much if you do that. Please like. I want to get enough thumbs up and enough subscriber and enough comments. Please do that. I love you guys, and I will see you guys. What's in their lady? I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Do make sure you take care of yourself and take care of others. Bye.